everybody, and welcome to Living Large Camping. We are slowly working our way south to Texas, where we will be renovating our Lance 815 truck camper.
Woo!
But along the way, we are stopped outside of Knoxville, Tennessee, and we're staying at this spot for one night. It does have a gorgeous view of the lake here. A couple fall colors popping through, and we're just excited to be here.
Yeah, very excited to be here. The weather is amazing, and yeah, can't wait for the week ahead.
It was a long day driving to get here, and we have another decently long day tomorrow, so I think it's dinner time. What are we having?
Pasta and a side salad.
Time to start cooking. We went ahead and removed the tendons from the chicken tenders just because we're buying a little bit cheaper chicken right now, and the last couple times we've had it, it's kind of chewy and rubbery, so we've got those removed. Now it's time to season it up with some lemon pepper, and then we'll get it all cooked.
So we had some leftover pasta sauce, so we decided to make some pasta and a nice side salad for dinner.
Let's eat. That dinner was really nice. We have the dishes all cleaned and the camper cleaned, but now it's time to get some video editing and route planning and start figuring out what we're going to change in our camper for the renovations here in just a couple weeks. So we'll pick you guys back up in the morning with coffee. Good morning. Want your breakfast? Good morning, guys. We are continuing our journey south and west, closer to Nashville, Tennessee. We've got about 3 hours today, a couple spots lined up, and hopefully a pretty drive.
Yeah, it's very cold today and a little cloudy, but we're excited to get to our next spot and see what that has to offer us.
Let's hit the road.
Starting route to Defeated Creek Park.
3 hours. Here we go.
Why did you do it? Why did you bring me back around? Make me go through it, only to burn me to the ground. Is it that easy?
First completely full tank, under $100.
Hear the sound, never release me. Skipped in a box marked lost and found. One of these days I think I'm gonna turn it upside down. That's how it goes when you're running for another's man. That's all I get. Just the sweetest thing I never had.
We made it! Connor is checking in at the front right now, and it's a pretty big campground, as you can see.
Sometimes whenever we're finding a campsite for the night, it's easiest just to pull up the campground, see if there's availability, and then go and actually pick the site, because it doesn't always look as good on the map as it does when you're driving up next to it. Home for the next 2 nights.
Look at that view!
So the sun is coming out and we haven't really seen much of this campground yet, so we're gonna go take Barkley out on a walk and then we'll come back and it's cocktail hour.
Woo! It may be sunny, but it's chilly.
Huge campground, but for how many spots there are and full hookups, the site's only $25 a night, so
And showers included, and the bathrooms are super nice. So
one of the better deals of campgrounds that we've had, I would say.
yeah, I would agree. And speaking of bathrooms, let's go give you guys a bathroom review. Well, these are nice. Also, I love reading your guys' comments about what you think of my bathroom reviews and what'd you give it. You guys are just so creative. Keep it coming. Okay, so I just gave you guys a little walkthrough of the bathroom. There are about 3 showers and 2 bathrooms, tons of sinks with soap, hand dryers, and all of that good stuff. It's definitely different than I expected. I don't know what I was expecting, but the wood over here is very interesting by the sinks. It's very clean, so I'd probably give this one 9.5 out of 10. I'm just still docking it because there's no paper towels, which is kind of silly. I get the air dryers, but sometimes they just don't really work. Look at the deer. You guys have similar ears.
I think they win overall campground decorations.
It's so cute and festive. I love it.
And we get to enjoy it right next door.
We just went for a nice walk around the campground, and now it is cocktail time. We are making spicy whiskey mules. Yee!
Hopefully it'll warm us up a little bit. She's not going to be too happy with me. These jalapenos are very spicy.
Wait, no, you need. Oh.
Here you go.
Thanks. I'm a little scared. Cheers. You're spicy.
Told you.
To help with the spicy drinks, we're gonna have some chips and salsa, work a little bit, and then we'll cook dinner.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side.
Next to walking the campground, our actual favorite activity is coming out for beautiful sunsets like these.
You really can't beat them. It was cloudy and we didn't think we were gonna get one, and then we got this.
It's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
What is he doing? What?
We've been together for over 5 years and I've never done this before. But I learned it today on a Instagram reel, so.
Do it again. Anyone else mind blown right now?
Quick and easy leftovers for tonight. We just put it all in a taco form, and the spot has been really, really nice, having the sunset view out of this window. I know we mentioned it earlier, but it's great, so we're having a good time here.
Let's dig in. All right, well, we just finished cleaning the dishes, and now it's time for some competition. Game on.
And some whiskey.
Always.
And a little cinnamon roll doggy.
Good night, guys.
It's a cold hard wind outside my window.
Bed is made. Now it's time to go for a walk.
It's that time of year. Beanie weather. It's 30s out, windy.
It's in this.
I stay home with you in my head. We go undercover, I'll be your lover.
I think he wins tow vehicle of the campground award. It's been cold and windy, but a pretty nice morning here, and now it's time to go use the free showers.
Boop, boop, boop.
See you when I'm clean.
Enjoy. Shower complete.
Wow, that shower, honestly, 10 out of 10. I wasn't expecting too much from this campground in terms of hot water, but it was as hot as you wanted it for as long as you wanted it. And on the way back, there was a baby deer right by the camper. Definitely a little lost. I don't think it knows where its mom is, but it was cute. And Barkley has no idea what to do with them.
The showers were nice and hot, and just now to eat some lunch.
Then we get to hang outside for a little bit because it's finally sunny.
Woo!
We love the sunshine.
Feels so good.
This is one of the best spots in the campsite because there's nobody around you. And look at all that waterfront view that you have.
Look at that waterfront.
What did he say, Berkey?
Chairs right now, I think her mom's gone. So she's kind of lost. Yep. She's a camp pet now. She belongs to the camper.
Oh my god, look at it! He wants our beer.
Yep.
I think he wants Barkley more.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yep. Yep, we're just walking. watching her. She's just walking around eating. We marinated some pork chops earlier in spicy mustard, a little bit of lime juice, and some Southwest seasoning. And then we have some Brussels sprouts here. We're gonna cook those with some olive oil and some balsamic vinegar, and I think it will turn out great. We're good to go. Dinner is served and looks amazing. That sunset was also amazing, and this spot has been wonderful. For $25, it's been great. They're setting up Halloween decorations at all the campers, and they've got trick-or-treaters coming around here in just a couple weeks, which is definitely going to be adorable, and seems like there's a good community here at this campground. So we've enjoyed staying here, and time to eat. Well, good morning, everybody. We are almost packed up here. We've been staying at Defeated Creek Campground, just about an hour outside of Nashville. Honestly, beautiful spot. I mean,
Gorgeous.
this water view, west facing with the sunset, it's been pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, we just chose it because we didn't have too many neighbors and we got gorgeous sunsets, so can't beat it.
It's been great. But like I said, we're almost packed up. We are leaving today and pretty much leaving this area for good. We're gonna stop in Nashville and see my sisters for just a couple nights, which I'm so excited about because it's been probably 4 months since we've seen them. And then we are headed to Texas, where we will be taking our Lance 815 off and completely gutting it and renovating the whole thing.
Yeah, we're so excited. We've got paint plans, table ideas. If you guys have ideas, just leave them in the comments below because we'll take anything.
Yeah, we're very excited. We're gonna go start by ripping everything out that we need to. We may have a little bit of water damage that we have to assess, so we'll start there and then just give it our own touch.
Yeah, we're so excited to make it our own home. It's already been very homey, but this is gonna make it even better, so.
Well, thank you for watching. Thank you for following us through the Northeast up here. It's been a dream of a trip, honestly. And if you have any questions or any spots to recommend for the next time we go, we love to hear those. We write them all down, and yeah, we'll be back at some point.
Yeah, we'll definitely be back. The colors were unreal.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a large day.
Thanks, guys. Bye.